Talk about the word disorder as it's used in mental health
Sure.
and how it is different from injury.
I think disorder, well, for me, being a doctor, but I'd be interested to see what you think. Disorder means disease. It means something's wrong with you and we have to fix you. And, we have lots of skills of fixing, but the brain's quite hard to fix. And it's more about understanding and how we can change environments. This is from my point of view, change environments and change people, change kind of journeying with people so that they can actually change their brains themselves, usually, because we don't have the skills. But I'm interested to hear what you think.
I'm interested in it maybe in relation to, for example, ADHD, which is also a disorder. And, well, for me it's a superpower, it's a strength. But I don't necessarily see it as a disease or something that I need to fix. It's more something that I can recognise the strengths of, or the differences in the way my brain works, and then scaffold for the weaknesses of, and accommodate it rather than try and fix it, because I don't think it's something to be fixed necessarily.
Yep, and I totally agree with you. And autism is the same, autism spectrum. And I emphasise spectrum because it's different for different people in terms of the way their brain has developed. You're just different. And for me, if our society could accept neurodiversity as a difference and go, yay, diversity, and actually say, wow, look at your strengths, you can super focus. And okay, maybe you have other sensory issues, but let's see how we can
accommodate.
You've got it. And the interesting thing is that some of the symptoms or experiences that people have for autism, post-traumatic mental injury, ADHD, are incredibly similar.
And I wonder, and you might be able to speak to this, the way that the world perceives these disorders, as they're currently called, causes some of that mental injury. That means that you can be autistic and also be suffering the effects of the world not accommodating you.
You're so right, because they make you a victim. And when you've been made a victim, you lose your confidence. And the world does things to you, rather than you saying, yes, I've experienced that. How can I learn from it, and how can I now go on and either help other people or do something different?